Objective: to study about protection from weeds. The undesirable plants that grow along with the crop plants are called weeds. The removal of weeds is called weeding. Weeding is necessary as weeds compete with the crop plants for water, nutrients, space, and light. Thus, they affect the growth of the crop. Some weeds interfere even in harvesting and may be poisonous for animals and human beings. Farmers adopt many ways to remove weeds and control their growth. Tilling before sowing of crops helps in uprooting and killing of weeds, which may then dry up and get mixed with the soil. The best time for the removal of weeds is before they produce flowers and seeds. The manual removal includes physical removal of weeds by uprooting or cutting them close to the ground from time to time. The tools used for this are sickle and seed drill. Weeds are also controlled by using certain chemicals called weedicides, such as 2,4-D. The weedicides are diluted with water to the extent required and sprayed in the fields with a sprayer. They do not damage the crops. Spraying of weedicides may affect the health of farmers. So, they should use these chemicals very carefully. The farmers should cover their nose and mouth with a piece of cloth during spraying of these chemicals. Biological pest control. Some worms and insects have a special liking for certain weeds. They flourish well by eating and killing the weeds without harming the crop plants. These organisms are cultured and reared on weeds. Example: ladybugs and surface hoverfly larvae. Some common weeds growing along with the crop plants are Chenopodium, Amaranthus, Convolvulus, Argemini, Dhatura, Alfalfa, Wild pea, wild oat, and other grasses. Though the weeds are unwanted plants, when they grow along with the crop, many of them are medicinal plants and are absorbers of toxic gases in the air. Example: dandelion, used as traditional herbal medicine to regulate urine flow. Weeds growing wild in nature are useful plants for domesticated animals, although they are poisonous to humans. Example: caper spurge.